Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I always say to stay subscribed because I make sure to give you guys some great content. I love to review products and review items here on my channel, so that is what I'm going to be doing today. In today's video, I have another Amazon find, and today's video is going to be Mefa gel polish set. So this is your build your own style combo that they have. So Mefa is a store on Amazon. I will link everything down in my description box. I just want to do a review and an unboxing video for you guys and do some swatches with some of the colors that I got. As you can see, this is a box of 42. So it has 42 plus 5 gel polish sets. Okay, so this is how the box looks, guys. This is gigantic, and I was like, let me review this and see what's inside of the box. So one thing I wanted to mention is that if you're getting into gel X nails and you want to do French tips, or you want to do other gel designs, I would suggest getting a starter kit like this. This pretty much has all the colors that you're going to need, and it comes with top and base coat as well. So in this box, the items included are 42 colored gel nail polish, 1 nail primer, 1 base coat, 1 top coat, 1 matte top coat, and then 1 glitter top coat. So really, this literally has everything that you're going to need. A lot of people use nail primers. It's also something that I've gotten into recently myself. So I'm looking forward to do this unboxing for you guys and to show you guys what's inside the box. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is literally how it looks. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this baby out. Ooh, look at this, guys. Okay, so we have all the colors here. As mentioned, it's 42 gel colors with 5 additional pieces. So each color has a specific number and a QR code to it, as you can see. I wonder actually what happens if you do scan the code. I'm not actually sure. I might do that after this video. Okay, but this color just has the number 0092. I'm gonna go ahead and just swatch some of the colors on this piece of paper to show you guys. Oh, this is a really dark color. This is a very, very dark color, but this is really, really cute. I think I'm more so getting into like different ombre nail designs, so I'm going to have to look into that a little bit more. But here are your 5 additional pieces, by the way. This is your base coat, and it does say base on it. I'm not sure why the camera is not focusing. But as you can see, it does say base on it. So this is how your base coat looks. It is just clear, as you can see. The bottles are pretty tiny, but like I said, this is pretty much a starter kit, so it's not going to be full-sized everything in here. This is your top coat. And then you have a matte top coat as well. This is going to be my first time using a matte top coat. I actually haven't used one before. This is a glitter top. So as you can see, it has the glitter to it, and also to mention it is silver, the color, and that's the swatch. And then lastly, we have our nail primer. Primer looks just like this. One thing to mention is that primer is really what you would use after you've buffed your nails. So once you're done buffing your nails and you are done prepping your nails, that's when you go in with your primer. And then of course it has all of these different colors. So I'm just gonna do a few swatches. I'm not gonna swatch everything. This will be a lengthy video if I do so. But some of the colors that I wanted to try out are some of the more brighter colors. This is the color 0691, and this is an orange. Wow. So it has a lot of nudes in here as well. And one thing I do plan to do is to use the nude colors to create like a French manicure. So I will be doing that. This is okay, so that color this looks more like a cream than it looks like the color that is actually displayed on top of it here. Generally, this color would be more of my nude and not actually that color. So I'm gonna try and swatch this and see. Okay, so I would definitely probably go for that color more so than this one, but it's still a little bit dark. I'm trying to see if there's something that's a little bit lighter, like a color in between. Okay, so this is, as you can see, like the gold glitter. Bunch of different colors. So I have found a color that is similar to the nails that I currently have. I'm gonna try and do a swatch of that color as well. So this is what I have so far. Okay, so just by the look of this, it kind of looks like the nail color I currently have on. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this and see the color. So I'd say it's a little bit darker. It's not the exact same color, but it's pretty close. I have another blue here that looks like it's a baby blue. Maybe this color might be more similar. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I love this color. And I'm sure if you mix the two colors, it'll probably give you this color because it's literally like an in-between. I do have one more blue shade. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one and see if this is anywhere. Oh, this looks very dark. Yeah, no, this is actually darker than both of them. So it seems that so far the colors don't really match fully with the color that's displayed on the bottle. I'm assuming this is a black color. Yes, so this is just plain black. Yeah, plain black. So as you can see, you have a bunch of colors here to play with. I mean, it's really not much to it, but like I said, for starters, like myself, I'm a starter. I would get a kit like this and I would try different nail design, and I would also get like a magnetic, and I would also get probably a magnetic nail stand just to practice and to try out a few colors. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to the purples and the pinks and swatch these. Okay, so this one looked more so purple, but it actually looks more pink on the swatch. And then there's this one. This one really does show like a purple color. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this color, y'all. Do you guys see this? This is so beautiful. So this is actually the pink that I normally would go for. I tend to do a lot of pinks and a lot of like lilacs in the summertime and in the springtime. Okay. There was a color that I did see here. I'm trying to, it's not this one. This is another purple. There's also this one. I'm gonna put this one out here, so I do that one next. This is color 0029. I'm gonna try and swatch this. Wow, look at that. This is a very, very concentrated purple. Swatch this one right here. Okay, so this is a pink. It does show purple on the bottle, but it's actually a pink color. Something that I also noticed is the colors are not sorted. So I think I can do that on my own. I would just sort of just, you know, put the colors that are similar next to each other to make it a little bit easier. You can have your blacks, your blues, and your purples and your pinks arranged accordingly. I just personally think that'll make things a lot easier. But these are just some of the colors that I wanted to show you guys. I'm not going to swatch the entire color palette that I have here. It's a bunch of different colors. There is also a red here, or actually 3 different shades of red. I'm gonna go ahead and just try these. These will probably be the last ones I'm gonna swatch, but I've never had red nails before. Red nails is really just not something I tend to do a lot, but I do feel like they can look very cute, especially when you use them in different nail designs. So that's the first one. This is the second color. This is a little bit brighter than the first one. Okay, and this is the last color, and this is probably the brightest of the 3. Okay, so this is how the colors look. This is the palette that I did, the swatch palette that I created from these different colors. Make sure you guys stay tuned for my next video. I will be doing videos using these products. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and a review video for y'all to see what the colors look like. I know it helps sometimes to see it live, rather than just seeing the pictures on Amazon when you shop. So this is definitely a great Amazon find. I will link this product in my description box, as well as any discount codes that I may have. Make sure to stay tuned for my next video. I thank each and every one of you guys for making it this far in this video. I hope to see you in my next video. As always, stay blessed. Bye.